can't use the photo swipe feature on TikTok using your iPhone, this can happen due to app glitches or network issues. But don't worry, in this advanced video, I'll show you how to solve the TikTok photo swipe not working issue on your iPhone. So let's begin. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Next, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. Open up Settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can solve the TikTok photo swipe not working issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.